Welcome to Stage 1 Performance, where horsepower meets precision. This is not your average repair shop. This is where performance is born. This is RPM Rob, the owner, the engine whisperer. From street builds to track monsters, if it roars, Rob built it. Data Dan, our electrical sleuth. No code too cryptic, no issue too deep. He's the guy the other shops call when they're stumped. Say hello to Torch Destin, master fabricator. Custom exhausts, precision welding, metal that breathes fire. He builds art that performs. And there's Clutch Colin, the all-around powerhouse. Routine repairs, big builds. He's always in the zone, keeping the flow tight and clean. From oil changes, tire mounting and balancing, wheel alignments to complete engine builds, dyno tuning, superchargers to suspension, diagnostics to full-blown custom fabrication, we do it all, and we do it right. Stage 1 Performance, built by passion, backed by skill. 28 East Garden Place, Pompton Plains, New Jersey 973-839-4900. Ready to level up? We'll take you there, one stage at a time.